here in the real world, if you apply deadly force, you are going to be held to answer for it, whether you're police, military, or civilian. You're going to be held to answer for it. It's not a joke. It's not a game. Trust me. The greater skill sets which you possess, the greater degree to which you can allow a situation to degrade before you take action. And if you possess a very high skill set level, most probably those decisions and those mechanics and those actions that you apply and take in a tactical situation will be appropriate. It's the guys that aren't trained properly, that are unsure of themselves, that rather than take a chance, say, screw it, I'm just going to shoot and hope it works out. That's not going to work. And if your thought process when you're in the midst of a shooting is, I hope I'm doing the right thing, you're probably already in trouble, massive trouble. And that's diametrically opposed to, I know I'm doing the right thing. Does everybody understand?